Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Mr. Technover. If you are interested in Galaxy S21 FE, then this video is for you. Samsung's Galaxy S21 FE has been long delayed, but reports dating back to October have already claimed that the budget flagship is expected to finally launch in Jan. In anticipation of the newest Galaxy Fan Edition, Sam Mobile has obtained a list of most of the Galaxy S21 FE specs. Starting with the display, the Galaxy S21 FE will have a 6.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display that supports 120Hz refresh rate with Full HD Plus resolution. There is also a 32-megapixel selfie camera within the centered punch hole cutout. The new Fan Edition will be powered by the same pair of sockets that are found in the Galaxy S21 lineup. Depending on the market, either the Exynos 2100 or Snapdragon 888 will be packed inside, along with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Storage options will be either 128 or 256GB, and this time around, storage won't be expandable, which is a bummer. The triple camera setup will consist of 12+, 12+, 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Other specs include 25-watt fast charging by wire or 15-watt via wireless charging. There is also IP68 water resistance, of course, and the phone will run on Android 12 out of the box. Price is yet to be confirmed, but speculation points to the possibility of the same $699 price point from the Galaxy S20 FE. The S21 FE is expected to be sometime next month, with CES taking place during the first week of Jan. There is always a possibility that Samsung might launch the phone in Las Vegas, but the company hasn't made any mobile announcements at CES for many years. Either Samsung may wait until MWC in February to launch the Galaxy S21 FE, or it may hold an online launch event independently of the trade shows. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's catch up soon. Till then, peace out.